Hi. Hi, welcome to a train station. The train just left. So, yeah. The game I'm playing is called Can You Survive a Train Through a Black Hole? It's really old. And my battery power is 15% and the train is here. Train is here. I'm probably not going to be able to make a very long video, but don't care. I'm going to go in the tender. I'm going to go in the tender this time. Hi. Ah! What is happening? Why is that happening? I don't know what's happening right now. All I'm hoping is that it doesn't jump while moving. Let's do first person. No! Oh! Whoa! Ah! What? Oh no, there's a black hole. There's a black hole. Now I do kind of know what to do here. I'm supposed to jump at the last minute. Whoa! Oh, I almost made it on my first try. That was pretty lucky. The train is already back. Okay, I'm not gonna go in the tender. If I can actually get in. No, can you jump through the windows? I don't think you can. Oh, that's how you get in. Someone with me. Hello, Arton 2019. This is the road that. We didn't have any problems there. It's the bridge. Here we go. Oh gosh, I didn't realize how close they were. I stopped saying. What the? No. Oh, the train's here. The train is here. Just go on the boiler. Come on, I want to survive. That's my only goal before my tablet dies. We're moving. Don't jump. Stop jumping. What? What was that? No! When desperate times call for desperate acts. Right. Here's a train. I'm trying to jump on it while it's moving. I made it. We're in the tender with Aaron and Brent Oliver. Oh no, that's Brett. Go in the tender. Come on, in the tender. It's on the coal. Artem 2019 is a survivor. She actually won. On the bridge. First person, like I did before. I swear, I'm no longer in the tender. Please. I don't like that. It's the bridge. There. It's the black hole. Black hole slide! No. Oh, come on! I was so close. What are you doing down there? Oh no, I'm stuck under the train. Oh, never mind. Let's go. Let's actually go in the. Oh no, I can't get in. It's not letting me in. No, it's moving. Oh, I'm so lucky. Hold on. It's the end car. Here we go, past the railroad crossing. We're getting close. I cannot actually see the black hole. Oh, there it is. A little bumpy. Oh, yeah, everything going well. What? Oh. Why are you all going to the car? Oh, what is happening? Oh, okay. Can Brett Oliver made it. Hooray for Brett. I am I'm in a really bad position. So is the train. Wait, there's someone here. There was someone there. I don't think this is gonna end very well. First person. Oh, we're stuck. Oh, I was so close. I was so close. close. Watching how close it was, I think we should go here. Oh. Wait, no, it's leaving. It went back to normal and then it left. Goodbye. Can't get over here. Ah. No, what? Where'd the train go? Where did it go? It's not here at the station either. Where's this train? Well, I guess that's a good way to wrap up, because my tablet is very close to dying. So, will I be able to... I found a working server, but anyway, will I be able to make it in the next episode? Let's find out.